You might be feeling confused where to add all these different prefixes. Let's learn the correct use of prefixes in this video. Prefixes are the letter or group of letters that are added in the beginning of other root words, and they change their meanings or make them opposites. Prefixes make the pure things impure, possible things impossible, known people unknown, and correct things incorrect. There are so many prefixes. Correct use of prefixes help us to improve our vocabulary and our spoken language. Here are some prefixes attached in the beginning of the other root words. Prefix "im", which means not. When added to root words, it makes them opposite in their meanings. For example, it was possible in the beginning, but now it is impossible. Perfect becomes imperfect, pure becomes impure, polite becomes impolite, moral immoral, and mortal becomes immortal. Prefix "in", it gives the meaning of not and makes the opposite of the root word. For example, complete becomes incomplete, valid becomes invalid, convenient becomes inconvenient, and correct becomes incorrect. Prefixes ir, il, and un give the same meaning of not and the words opposite in meaning. As regular becomes irregular, responsible becomes irresponsible, legal becomes illegal, and literate becomes illiterate, known becomes unknown, and kind becomes unkind. Prefix "re" means again, and it makes read into reread, do into redo, check into recheck, play into replay, and think into rethink. Prefix "mis" means wrongly, and it means something is done wrongly or wrong. For example, when you guide someone wrong, it becomes misguide. Lead becomes mislead. Understand becomes misunderstand. It even turns your fortune into misfortune. Prefix "dis". Prefix "this" makes the words opposite. Sometimes it changes your likes into dislikes. You are honest, but you get dishonest people around you. And when everybody agrees on one point, but you disagree, and the word appear disappears with this prefix use.